Okay, I'm back. So, starting part D. So here we're going to report our gains and losses. So again, we had this loss, this $23 million change in the PBO. So that's a loss. That was a given. And then the other thing we had was a difference in the return on plan assets. The actual was 30 million return versus expected of 27 million. So we add. Now notice in the loss OCI, that's our debit. We credit PBO because we're increasing our PBO as a result of this estimate. Here we're adding to our plan assets by 3 million. So that's our debit. And our credit is our gain OCI. And so to record our pension expense, of course, our bottom line number of 43 million is top there. And then our expected return on assets is also a debit. Notice we use expected return, not actual. So that's a debit. Notice that we combine our service cost and interest cost. So that's our PBO, 65 million, and then our two other numbers that we just talked about, 4 million and 1 million. So all those are credits. As far as recording the funding of the plan assets and payment of benefits, here we're adding 48 million. So we're going to pay that out to the trustee. But we have to record that as an addition to our plan assets. And then, of course, we're reducing our PBO by the amount that we pay out in benefits to retired employees. Here it's 38 million. And so again, at the end of 2018, I believe, we've got these balances in the two respective accounts of PBO and plan assets. And so our unfunded pension liability is 110 million at the end of 2018. This is what your statement of comprehensive income would look like. You know, you've got all those other components, but for the things we've been talking about, you would add under the term pension plan. And your balance sheet presentation would include your unfunded pension liability. for 2018, 110 million. And then down there in shareholders' equity, that would, those two amounts, your net loss AOCI and prior service cost AOCI would reduce shareholders' equity. And of course, I guess if you used a spreadsheet for this, that's what this would look like. All right, so that's it for chapter 17.